Welcome to the new workshop. Is that any quieter? Seems like it's a little quieter to me. Let's do one more. I need some string silencers on my bow, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna put string silencers on the bow, and we're just gonna test with this microphone if it makes it quieter with string silencers, if we can tell a difference. We may not be able to tell any difference at all, but I just wanted to see if I can and check it. This is my new shop after hunting season, and here very soon actually, we're gonna get some stuff done down here, make some awesome bows, and I just cannot wait. Also, I like to hunt with these gloves on, so I'm gonna shoot with them to make sure everything is solid and good to go. First, we're gonna shoot the bow, no string silencers. It's a noisy bow. A lot of things can quiet your bow. One of the most important things is how you make the bow, or how the bow is made, and this one's really loud. My fault. Is that any quieter? I'm gonna shoot a couple of them so we can see the comparison to the before and the after. So this is the before. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for today. I just wanted to get string silencers on my bow. It's working good. I'm gonna head out to the woods tonight. And if you wanna be a part of this YouTube channel, I would appreciate that, because we have a goal to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2019. And there's coming close to only 500 spots left. And there's only one opportunity ever for you to be part of the first 1,000. So I would love you to join me. We're gonna hit this goal. We're trending up. So I thank all of you for joining. And I can't wait to see you guys on the next video.